The Symptoms and Causes Directory recognizes the importance of having your ears cleaned. That's why we have partnered with Hearing First Surbiton to deliver you the best microsuction earwax removal in your area. Residents across Surbiton, Kingston, Tolworth, Berrylands, and Thames Ditton trust this safe, professional approach to keep their ears healthy and hearing clear. Many people still try traditional syringing at home or in clinics, but it carries risks like discomfort, infection, or even damage to the ear canal. Microsuction, on the other hand, is gentle, precise, and fully controlled by a trained audiologist, making it the preferred choice for safe earwax removal in Surbiton. This method uses a tiny suction device under direct visual guidance, removing wax quickly without water, without mess, and without unnecessary risk. At Hearing First Surbiton, located at 16 St. James Road, inside Therapy Spaces, Room 4, residents enjoy a professional, friendly, and highly effective microsuction experience. If you're ready for safe, professional microsuction in Surbiton, click the link in the description or call 020-3397-9787 to book your appointment. Your ears and your hearing deserve expert care.